So how you guys doing? This is a makeup tutorial. You read from the title. So I've done my brows already, and I've primed my eyelids with concealer, and I've primed my lips with Vaseline. So I'm using this ash color eyeshadow as my transition color. So I'm gonna put that on my crease, and I'll just speed this up for effect. So I'm using my romantic eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the color dark black, really black. So I'm going to blend that in on my eyelids, and forgive the lighting, it's really bad. Then I'm going in with an orangey shade, and I'm just going to blend that on top of my crease so it won't be all black, totally black. I'm sorry. So I'm going into the palette again, and I'm taking the black, and I'm just dabbing that on the